Hi everyone, Samuel here. Welcome back to the GR channel and welcome to Amsterdam. We're continuing our Shoot GR_ city name event series, which we call GR Cities. The GR community here in Amsterdam has been very busy using their city hashtag. That's why we are here. And we have a very nice venue here right inside the central station. It's called Grand Cafe Restaurant. We're going to have some presentations, a photo walk, and hopefully some good food. And I hope there's going to be some good cheese. If not, I'm going to fly right back home. No, just kidding. Okay, let's go and check it out.
Good morning, everybody. On behalf of Rico, a very warm welcome to you all. Thank you, you all took the opportunity to join us today on the GR Cities Amsterdam. I am, in fact, a police officer. I work as a content creator at the communications department in Rotterdam. When you think of storytelling, it's a great way to elevate your photography and move beyond just making nice aesthetic images.
Why did I go for this one? Okay, well, I saw an unboxing on YouTube on your channel. Yeah, it was a good video, and I couldn't stop looking at the camera. It was so beautiful. The colors, the asphalt color with this yellow-orange color, it's lovely. So I looked at a lot of pictures and then looked at your review again and again, and then I had to buy it.
I know about GR for a while, and recently I shoot more film, but then it's been expensive and whatnot, so I was like, it's a good time, film cameras are expensive, and I kind of traded and I got the GR. Also because GR released the 40mm, 28 is too wide for me, so when they came out with 3X, I was like, okay, this is it, I'm getting it for sure.
So when Rico released the negative film, I was like, boom, that is it. Like when I go out, especially on a cloudy day, and I go take photos out in the city, in my mind, like, and while I see at the back of the camera when it comes out of the photo, that's exactly what I had in my mind before of what like the ambiance for the mood was for the photo. So yeah, I'm all about the baked and JPEG presets, and the negative film is definitely the one for me.
You want to see my flash? Here is my flash.
You have the two? I have the three. I have the three.
It was really a lot of fun to meet the people, such an international meeting, to hear what you were telling, to hear what Niels was telling, to see why they take this camera every day. Most of them, they take this camera every day, like me. And that's what I really like about this camera.
I really liked one of the speakers. I really liked his presentation about all this wild nature photography, macro photography, because it's completely the opposite from what I do. So it was interesting to see his perspective and see how he used all the artificial lights in nature. It was interesting to see, and probably I will also show it to my students at some point.
Being new to Amsterdam and trying to find a photography community, my experience has been when you say that you're kind of interested in street photography, people are quite critical of what you do and what you don't. And it was really great to come and meet a community that was really welcoming to people who might be new to photography, people who are more, I don't know, who are more hobbyists, I suppose. It was really cool.
What I said earlier, I don't have any friends in photography, so yeah, I need to find them somewhere else. So yeah, it's just really fun to have a day like this, and I think it's amazing that a company as a Rico organizes this for just and keeps it small. I mean, you can rent a big place, get 1,000 people, and highlight something about your brand, and then bye and give them a goodie bag. But this is more personal and gets people involved really. So I think that's really, really nice, and they really want to know you. So they came over, I think they came over to almost everybody and wanted to talk to you. So I really like that, really appreciate it.
All right, we just wrapped up the event. Thank you to everyone who joined us. It was great meeting you. We had a lot of fun, and it was great meeting the GR community here in Amsterdam, which is a city I've only been to once. First time here with a camera with my GR. We already have plans for the next event, It's going to be in Rome, Italy. And if you want us to come to your city, as always, keep using our GR Cities hashtags. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, and stay tuned for more GR videos. Keep shooting with a great camera. This joke is getting old. GR! We need a hand sign for the GR. I don't know. GR! It's impossible. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching.